Hello everyone and welcome to Final IT. In today's video we're going to be looking at creating an NGINX reverse proxy server. This can be helpful if you have multiple web pages that you want to have access from a single public IP address. Very useful when hosting websites in a non-business environment, as you normally only have access to one public IP address when you're at like your house or something. Some videos that might be good to watch before this one are videos on installing CentOS 7 and videos on opening ports in CentOS 7 as well, although we're going to go over that in this video also. Alright, so to get started we're going to have our CentOS 7 minimal setup already ready to go, and we need to add the epel-release repository to it. So we'll do that with this command here, sudo yum install epel-release-y. This will be available in the description. All the commands will be available in the description. So confirm our sudo password there, and then we'll see that it's installing now. Now once that's installed, we're going to install NGINX itself. It's sudo yum install nginx-y. The next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to enable NGINX to run by default. So every time we start up the computer, it'll always run, and that's with sudo systemctl enable NGINX. I'll create the link for that, and then sudo systemctl start NGINX to get the process going. And again, all these commands can be found in the description. After that, we're going to need to open up our firewall ports on this. We'll want to open up both HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Oh, of course, it's got to have the /TCP on the end. Those commands can be found in the description. Got this one as well for 443. That's for HTTPS/TCP. Alright, once you've got those added, we're also going to need to run a sudo firewall reload. Alright, so after that we've got NGINX on, we've opened up our ports and reloaded our firewall. We should now be able to navigate to our NGINX server and see the default page. So we'll go to this server's IP address. And there it is. We'll see the welcome to NGINX. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.